everyone, my name is Shirang and I am studying in grade 6B in Chitrakoota, Kaushalya. Today I am going to tell the feedback of the expert workshop which was held today. The expert workshop was very nice and the teacher who taught us was also a kind teacher and she taught it in a fluent way which we could understand about the Indian history and culture. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yoshita from 6th day from the NDH branch. This workshop was held by Karanam Shalini ma'am who taught us very well. We learned many more and useful things in this workshop, and we thought that the action we did were just for our cultures. But now we understood that it had a very scientific reason behind it. Thank you. This workshop was very useful.